it has given us a title, how to start a successful YouTube channel, how what to say in front of camera, cut scenes, the transition scenes. It has written everything for us according to our script, and it is so accurate that you can use it on your daily upload basis. Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create an awesome video script. If you are looking to make amazing videos without the hassle, stick around. First thing first, let's head over to the ChatGPT. You can find it on OpenAI website. If you haven't already signed up, log in. It's super easy. As you can see, we are at the ChatGPT. Next, you need a clear video topic. For example, let's choose how to start a YouTube video channel. How to start a YouTube channel, and click on enter. So we have got our topic. Let's move on. Now let's ask ChatGPT to create an outline. Create an outline for this topic. As you can see, the magic has happened. Now we have got all the necessary steps to create our script. In here, write down ChatGPT just not created us a script but also gave us the exact direction to operate our script. Like if you can see that script for YouTube video, it has given us a title, how to start a successful YouTube channel, and it has also shown us how what to say in front of camera, like hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, like thing. Then it also showed us on-screen planning text to pop up the text. Not only that, it has given us the cut scenes, the transition scenes. It has written everything for us according to our script, and it is so accurate that you can use it on your daily upload basis. But you need to be careful in one thing: give this a personal touch of you, because it's a AI generated thing. So retouch it with your own personality, your own script, rewrite it a couple of times, add your vibe on the script, and you are good to go. So that's the thing with the ChatGPT. And not only that, if we ask for the tag, and as you can see, it has also given us the viral hashtags for our YouTube channel to rank or to increase the SEO score of our video. Not only that, we can ask him to make this copyable. From here, we can copy it and paste it direct to the YouTube text section and increase our chances to get up on this search and increase our SEO. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this tutorial may help you guys. Please like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.